Hey, hi, Archit.
Hey, hello Nishal.
We just wait 5 minutes for everyone.
Sure. अच्छा सर हम तो नहीं है बस.
This meeting is recorded. Hey, hi, Shashank.
Hi, Nitin. Hello.
Yeah, so
Am I
we'll just
audible?
wait. Yeah, you're audible.
Okay.
So we'll wait 5 minutes for others to join also.
Sure.
Hey, hello Shashank.
Hi. How are you?
Oh, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, Nishal.
Okay. It's like meeting notes, right?
Yes, meeting notes is visible.
Oh, okay, so I don't think anyone else is joining. So basically, these are contributor calls happens like in every 15 days. So anyone like from the community can join these calls if they have any questions or if they want to contribute or any other like if they want to know the status of Web3J. So what we are planning, like we can also have mentorship, a part of that to discuss in these calls. So that's why we have invited you two also. And these calls are being recorded. So if anyone wants to refer, like what's the status with Web3J or anything, they can refer to this. So I will just go through the meeting notes, what we decided for the agenda. So the first thing is Web3J updates. So we recently have like bug fixes that's been linked here. And then the maintainer status. So if anyone wants to be a maintainer, so we have the link and it gives like the minimum requirement for you to become a mentor. So right now it's like 5 significant changes to the code, and we need to be approving the maintenance status. So anyone can refer to this. Okay. Now the third is Web3J technical charter. So recently, the Linux Foundation has announced the Linux Foundation Decentralized Trust, and so you can go through this blog. So they have so basically they're going to be a transition to this LFD centralized trust, and so there's a talk for Web3J technical charter. So maybe Harshit and Shashank, you can also go through these uh, technical charter, and if you feel any thing you want to add or you want if you want any clarity, You can go through these. And also, I will just link this meeting notes in the chat. Okay. So the last is like Hyperledger Web3J mentorship, status of the ongoing process. So maybe Harshit and Shashank, you can give us a brief status.
Okay, so I'll start.
Yeah.
Basically, in our last week, we decided to like test out the version 4.12, uh, which was yet not tested, and which is the latest version for Web3J.
Hmm.
Uh, Okay, so I followed the same procedure to test this version at like same for the before, same as before. Like I tested it on Android version Android version 12, 13, and 14, on these physical devices, and I've also tested it on SDK 28 on my simulator. So there were two key issues that I also addressed within my Google Doc. That one was that this version is not compatible with Java 8,
Hmm.
with and the previous version was compatible. The 4.8.9 like Android version was compatible, but this version is not compatible. So the minimum compatible Java version for this is JDK 17, and
Hmm.
no problems with running it on JDK 17. Apart from that, in this version of the DJ, Android Studio basically throws an error that is related to maybe how we are modularizing the library. Like I have linked it in the Google Doc. So if you are aware of that, like the exact issue that Android Studio throws, find a
Okay,
solution for it, and I've also included the solution. Yeah.
mhm. Let me get that link and paste it here once. So I went through that. One second, just give me a second. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I will just open this link. Oh, yeah. So you faced an issue with Java version 8. So it's for the all Android versions. Oh, I'm audible.
Sorry. Uh,
Shashank, your voice is breaking a bit.
there's a network issue.
Okay.
Yes, you are. Can you repeat your question?
Yeah, so I'm just asking like where are you getting this Java Android 8 version? Because the Web3J 4.12.0 is basically for Java 17 only. Maybe that's the issue.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm just asking like you faced this issue of Java version 8, right? So the Web3J 4.12.0 it requires minimum Java 17 for it to work. Maybe that's the
Yes.
issue, right? So
Yeah.
so in which Android version or SDK versions you are facing this?
Oh, actually, and all the JDK issue is different. So
Mhm.
JDK issues arises only in like setup only. Like so once you add the library and sync the project, it throws an error. So this is actually not even related to the app. So this is even before building the app. So
Okay.
the ID throws this error itself. So yeah, the minimum required version is 17. So you
Yeah.
can't
Mhm.
use any other. The second issue is different that arises once you run the app. There is no issue in building the project, but once you run the app, then yeah, this error is thrown, which is related to as you can see, like more information is provided for there. So I guess modularity, basically we are kind of using some libraries that are conflicting in different modules. So that's the root of this error. It is easily avoidable by adding this piece of code in Gradle file of the module, which was the app
Okay.
module in which you add the dependency.
Okay.
So I've included that. I was
Mhm.
thinking once this is approved, we should make an edit in the official README, in which I'll write in more detail how to include this code so that uh, people who are using the latest version for the Android
Mhm.
are able to build the app. So that's all I've done till now, and let's see.
Yeah. So, like one more question. So, you said like after adding this, you were able to run the basic functionality of Web3J, right?
Yes, I was able to run the app, and yeah, its
Okay. So,
functionality. I haven't tested anything like any operations or anything yet. So I was
mhm,
more focused on building the project with this version and tackling the issues. So
mhm. Okay. I think the next step will be if you require to create a PR, feel free to create a PR and also create a blog post on this, on your findings and how to run Web3J latest with the latest Android. And you can include the code and tutorials like that in that blog post. So that will be your next task.
so
Uh,
creating the blog post is my next task.
yeah, so create a blog post and also I think the you said you like fixed it right with this code. So if you want to create a PR, feel free to create a PR on Web3J repo.
So basically, this is not in the library itself. This fix is for the app that you are including the library in.
Okay.
So Web3J.
So it doesn't
Yeah,
require
I need to
PR
include
for
this
that,
in the
right?
instruction part.
Okay.
Instruction.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can include it
I need
in
to create a PR.
mhm. Yeah, in README, right? Changes in the README file.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah, cool. So feel free to do that changes. And even the docs. So if you see, one second. Oh, well, let me just open that. Yeah, so we have this repo web3j docs. So feel free to, add a new file and for the instructions on how to build and run web3j latest on Android. So I, so you can like maybe you can add a file in here, getting started. And let me know if you are if you face any issue in adding anything in docs.
Sure.
So I think I will just write the next task here. Okay. Yeah, so and I think we have a okay. Yeah. Harshit, yeah, you want to go next?
Yeah, hello there. Um, so as regarding the update, actually, I am little bit delayed with respect to what Shashank has done. I am currently actually investigating the nitty-gritties of the Android as of now. This was a platform I was not well familiar with. I have done the local blockchain setup and created this smart contracts with the help of that. But yeah, so proceeding forward, my motto would be to go ahead and create a working Android app in which I could do some operations regarding with respect to Web3J. Probably create a block, delete a block, kind of stuff.
Okay. So yeah, so I think your next task will be, just connect with Shashank,
Mm-hmm.
like get a status like what all work he has done, and you
Mm-hmm.
can get like on the Android or anything on Android. I think Shashank will be the best person, right? You can connect with him, and I will. So next task will be to create a basic D app with wallet functionality and doing a basic transaction. So
Got it.
So when we are testing, the wallet functionality and sending transaction, there are chances that something breaks or everything. So we need to make sure the core um, things like creating Java wrappers, because Web3J is mainly used for creating Java wrappers. So
Mm-hmm.
those things are working or not. So I'll just add wallet functionality, generate Java wrappers. So if you have any doubt in any of these topics, you can connect with us. And also, Shashank, I think when you are done with that README and docs changes, you can also, start with the like basic functionality what Web3J provide. So we can test, okay, anything is not breaking. So basically, all the basic functionality of Web3J is working fine.
Yes, I was also thinking about doing that. I was just like waiting for
Mhm.
some needs instructions. So first I'll
Okay.
write the blog post and read me, and then I'll just get on with that. So if you have any issue with setting up the project in Android,
Mm-hmm.
you can like just contact me because I've worked
Sure. I think
extensively with
let's
setting.
connect offline sometime, maybe. Shashank.
Okay,
You
yeah.
can use Discord channels also for connecting.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Or
Okay.
even DM me on Discord. That also works.
Yeah.
Cool, cool.
Oh, I think yeah. Oh, that's it. If you have any other questions or anything to ask.
None from my side.
Yeah, nothing.
Okay. Thank you, Harshit. Thank you, Shashank, for joining the call. And I will just, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I will
Thank you.
just drop the call. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye,
Bye.
guys.
Bye bye.